Vanakkam, welcome to Kindling's Legends YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about UGC paper 1 video material extensively. So here I am going to elaborate some queries from our friends. So UGC NET is being conducted twice a year. One exam will be in June and other exam will be in December. And some of our friends had asked a question regarding what is JRF and what is assistant professor only. So UGC NET, if you score more than 50% mark, you will be qualified for assistant professor. If you score more than 60% mark, you will get fellowship. The main difference between this NET and JRF is NET. If you qualify NET, you will be qualified for lectureship in colleges. And if you qualified for JRF, you will be getting fellowship. This is the main difference between NET and JRF. The person who scored more marks, who will supposed to get JRF and fellowship. So in this video, we are going to discuss about teaching aptitude. So now we are stepping into the syllabus. So teaching aptitude consists of 6 subtopics. Going to elaborately discuss about them in the future videos. So now I am going to discuss about the subtopics. The first subtopic is about teaching. The teaching concepts, objectives and levels of teaching. So the levels of teaching is about the memory based teaching methods and some different kinds of levels in a teaching procedure. Second subtopic is about learners' characteristics. Adult learner and individual difference. Here, the adult learner, you will be placed in the colleges. So you are lecturers. So you will about to face adult persons as your listeners. So you have to have some glimpse about the adults, so that you can have better management strategies. The second subtopic is, the third subtopic is about factors affecting teaching. So the factors are teacher, learner, support material, instructional facilities, learning environment and the institution. Fourth subtopic is about methods of teaching. The teacher-centered and learner-centered. Teacher-centered teaching methods are some of old school of thoughts, and nowadays learner-centered teaching methods are getting momentum. And the fifth one is about teaching support system. And in this subtopics, we are going to study about traditional, modern, ICT based systems. Evaluation system. There is urgent need in the evaluation system. So innovation must be introduced in the evaluation system. So the computer based test. This UGC exam also we are going to write in a computer based exam only. So choice based system, credit system. Choice based credit system is nothing but you people have to complete 20 plus credit system in a PG program. So you may have 10 in the first semester, 10 in the second semester. It is in your curriculum. Here the choice based system means you may have 15 credits in your first semester. You may have 5 credits in your second semester. So students have free hand to choose the credits in their curriculum, but this system is not introduced in our Indian system. So these are all the modern thoughts. Here some of the model question papers. So this will throw some light over the topic. So here the first question. The first question is, which one of the following is the main objective of a teaching? A main objective of a teaching. So we can go through some optional elimination method. So that will fetch you a most suitable, most appropriate answer, because here you are not going to write the correct answer. You are going to choose the most appropriate answer. So you can use your common sense, but common sense is not common to all, which may differ to person. So that's what we are referring standard textbooks. So here I am going to discuss about the top questions. So the first one, to give information related to syllabus. Probably a YouTuber like me can give information related to syllabus, or a blog can give information related to syllabus. It's not a duty. It's not a sole duty of a teacher to dictate notes to students. It is certainly not. A senior can do that, not the teacher. To prepare student to pass the examination, a tutor can do that. It is not the sole for a teacher. A teacher should develop thinking power of a student. So, the very next question: which one of the following is a good method of teaching? So, here I am going through my common sense. So, I will choose lectures and dictation because I love lectures and dictations. But answer is certainly not. So, here I am reiterate the thing is the common sense is not common to all. So here the seminar and dictation also not the right answer. Dictation and assignment, very poor form of teaching method. So the right option is seminar and projects. Third question is about teachers use teaching aids for what? There are 4 options are given. So we are going through option elimination method. The first one, making teaching interesting. Yeah, maybe, most likely. Making students more attentive. Can be. Shake off it use. Not. Answer is making teaching within the understanding level of a student. So this is the preliminary task of a teacher. So this is the most appropriate answer. So the fourth question is effectiveness of teaching depends on. The options are qualification of a teacher, personality of a teacher, handwriting of a teacher, subject understanding of a teacher. So qualification of a teacher. A teacher may be qualified as MSc or PhD. But probably with this, which certainly won't fetch that much understanding or effectiveness into the system. The next is personality of a teacher. Yeah, which is a prerequisite for effective teaching. Effective teaching depends on the personality of a teacher. Definitely yes. Handwriting of a teacher. No. Now we people are using computer based or online based education system. So that will be the future. So handwriting is nothing to do with the effectiveness of a teaching. The subject matter understanding of a teacher. This is the most appropriate and most suitable one. A teacher may be qualified BSc, MSc or PhD postdoctoral, but he should understand the subject very well so that he can give the better out of him, so the learner can get it more quickly, more feasibly as possible. The fifth question is which one of the subject is not covered in Swayam Prabha? Not. So Swayam means self, Prabha means self-learning portal. This is run by our Ministry of HRD. So it is a massive online open source material which starts from 9th standards to PG qualification. If you may go with your purview, most likely you choose the performing arts. But the answer is not covered in Swayam Prabha is agriculture. We are slowly getting into the subject. The first concept is about teaching. Teaching is nothing but imparting instruction to the learners. Teachers impart instruction to the learners. Indeed, they give information to them. This is some old school of thoughts. So now we are redefining it in a nowadays. The modern teaching concept. Here, the learner learn the things and acquire skill for their survival in the upcoming events. which will increase their chances of survival in their society. Here, for example, here the new educational policy draft 2020 largely focus on vocational training for young minds, which largely starts from schooling itself. So, the vocational training helps them to acquire more skills, so which will indeed increase their chances of survival in the society. Education should build the capacities, the spirits of inquiry, creativity, entrepreneurial, and moral leadership among the students and become their role model. An educationist, a teacher should be their role model. You should impart the spirit of inquiry, creativity, and entrepreneurial moral leadership among the students. This is the role of a teacher, which is given by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So the next quote is, education is kindling of mind. You take a fire, you are kindling it, so it will flame more. So this means kindling of mind, so you make them to think more. And not the filling of a vessel. So you take this vessel as your mind. So you are trying to fill this vessel as much as possible. But time suck this out. Your mind will be drained in the course of time. Education is kindling of mind, not the filling of a vessel. If you start filling your vessel, you never fulfill it. Through course of time, you will lose. In our upcoming videos, we are going to discuss about the objectives of teaching and characteristic of teaching and teaching process. So you people kindly like, share and follow our Kindling YouTube channel.